Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is our second major assignment of the week. This is going to be due Monday morning, Monday the 13th, 11 a.m. Just like we did with the Bill Nye video, you can either email this to me or you can share it with me via Google Drive. There's going to be two major aspects to this assignment. Number one is going to be a graph. I strongly suggest you make that on Google Sheets. And number two, over here, number two is going to be complete answers to the 5 analysis questions. So let's look over this right here. What you've got to do is understanding weather and climate using local data. What you're going to do, the big thing, is you're going to make a graph that looks very, very similar to this. It's going to have 4 lines on it. This is going to be a line graph. One of the lines is going to be the observed low temperature and then the observed high temperature, and then the normal low and the normal high. The observed low and the observed high, that is under weather. The normal low and the normal high, that is going to be under climate, okay? So what we're doing is we're comparing and contrasting high and low temperatures based off of weather and high and low temperatures based off of climate. Weather and climate, remember, are 2 very different things. This is going to start helping us figure out exactly why and how they are different. The instructions are all under here, but you're going to have to do one big thing for weather and one big thing for climate. For weather, you need to go to this website, wonderground.com. That's going to give you your local weather data. And then for climate, you're going to go to this website, noaa.gov. So let me explain this using the graph. You're going to choose a city. In this example, we chose Seattle. And you're going to choose a month. And in this example, we chose June. You are going to get the observed high and low daily weather temperatures for Seattle in June. And you're going to get the observed normal high and normal lows for the climate down here for Seattle for the month of June. Remember, we're comparing and contrasting weather versus climate. Down here at the bottom, I've given you an example of a data table. You can use this data table. You can print it out. You can make your own data table. You can make it on Google Sheets. You can do whatever you want to do, but this is just a tool to collect your data. Notice daily temperature and climate normals for the city of. So you're going to pick a month, you're going to pick a city. I would pick a major city. I wouldn't pick a small little city like Jefferson, New Hampshire, or something along those lines. I would pick a major city that's going to be easy to find data on. You're going to, for each day of the month, 30 days, okay, you're going to write down what you find for the daily temperature, minimum, maximum. That's through the Wonderground website. And then the climate normals, minimum, maximum, and that's through the NOAA website. Don't worry about year necessarily. I wouldn't worry about 2017 versus 2016 versus 1975. I wouldn't necessarily worry about that. Pick a city, pick a month, fill in your data. Once you've done that, you need to make a graph. Okay, hints for Google graphing can be found at this link, but we've done this a couple of times. If people are really, really confused with it, please email me so I know that you're confused about this. If enough people email me that are confused about this, maybe I will make a video explaining how to Google Graph, but I don't want to waste people's time if you already know what you're doing. Now that you've completed that line graph, there's analysis questions, and I've linked to those on my Schoology page as well. So the 2 things that you got to get done. It's the graph, and you've got to get done the analysis questions, all right? You're going to do the graph by creating a data table. You're going to create a data table by reading the directions and going to these websites. Again, if you have questions, shoot me an email. Let me know what's going on. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. I miss you guys a lot. I'm eager to see you. And please have a wonderful rest of your day.